Will OEM factories never name their clients? Red flags if they do. Yo, global buyers, stop getting scammed by fake Nike LV factories on TikTok. I've sourced a pro in China for 10 years. Let's expose the truth. Step 1. Hunt manufacturing hubs. Innovative tech. Shenzhen manufacturers. Smart home appliances. Foshan manufacturers or walkaway. Cheap gadgets. Weiyu markets. Chic sportswear. Changzhou factories or bust. My team slashed coding costs by 30% only because we work with suppliers in the white hub. Step 2. Interrogate them online. Hit them with, show me ISO 9001 certs now. How many CE or FCC patents fail? Prove your BSCI audit report. Step 3. Alibaba.com's find manufacturers function. Legit factories have 1. Certified badges. 2. 360 degrees VR factory tours. 3. Offline reports. Check the suppliers qualifications on the largest B2B sourcing platforms, Alibaba.com. Reliable platforms protect your business. If a fresh brand we make for Gucci, they are lying. Will OEMs stay silent and start cash? I'm Jackie, your best business partners in China.